Alright, guys, here we go. This is number 9. Number 9, Verky, what's up, man? Number 9, Premium Pack Football. Let's get it on. 5 times for 5 times. See what number we're getting. Let's see. Playoff football has a few spots left, Verky. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And 174. 174 there. Okay. Alright, 174. Okay. Alright, 174. Uh-oh. Oh, Tampa Bay, man. Look like Tampa Bay's Tom Brady's going to the conference. Drew Brees did not play well, that's for sure. 174. Drew Brees had a great career, man. Great career. He'll be a good broadcaster. Alright, so we got Steve Gonzalez, Chief Key 4, Trav 2, Mike 3, Eric 5, Ryan V 4, Robbo 3, Nick 2, Trav 3, Logan 3, Tom with 2. Alright, guys, good luck. Oh, yeah, he already came out and said he was retiring. 100%. 100%, Rob. This is definitely his last year. 4 times, 5 times, and Logan G. That's why I snagged that Breeze auto today. I'm going to put it in the premium packs. He's definitely done after this. Logan on top, Tom's on the bottom 5 times. Because this stuff's going to go all crazy now once he officially says it. Mike Saints, Eric Colts, Patriots, Bucks, Vikings, Chiefs, Ryan Dolphins, Ravens, Jags, Bills, Chief Keith Giants, Rob Browns, Cowboys, Texans, Nick Lions, Niners, Trav Raiders, Rams, Packers, Logan Seahawks, Cardinals, Chief Keith Bengals, Logan Chargers, Tom Redskins, Steelers, Chief Keith Broncos, Falcons, Trav Bears, Jets, Mike Vivian, Eagles, Titans, and Steve with the Panthers. JMS, what's up, man? What's going on, man? What is going? Maybe he will come back like Brady did, after playing horrible. We got Playbook with 6 spots. I got Hoops Mega with 14. I got 6 divisions, especially mini. We can run teams on the full-size lid or divisions. Basketball jersey. We got full-size basketballs working as well. Yeah, I believe it, man. I believe it. No, it would all be random teams. Since there's only 3 helmets left, I wouldn't do picking teams. What was the baseball jersey? What do you mean? eBay, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, 174 to 185. Here we go. Alright, it is a Bradley Chubb 1/1 auto. 1/1 Bradley Chubb. Kevin, the mini helmet is by division. So you want a division? Bradley Chubb for Denver. 1/1. Very nice. 1/1. Alright, who's got Denver? Who's got them Broncos? Chief Keef. Chief Keef, there you go. You got yourself the Bradley Chubb 1/1 auto. Alright, 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Rob O'Neal, free spot for you in the bonus break. Number 9, premium packs. Alright, number 9. Premium pack football. Good. Alright, Gold Rush jerseys up next. Gold Rush jerseys up next, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you. Thank you.